Whether your passion is this, or this, or even this, at Minnesota State we share your passion. Our instructors, along with the biggest names in the power sport and marine industry, bring you along on an in-depth experience accelerating you into the world of power sports, power equipment, small engines, and marine technology, giving you the tools you need to succeed in power sport and marine mechanics.
Hey guys, I'm Levi LaValle. Make sure you check out Minnesota Tech School. They got some great plans for all of you out there. Whatever job you're into, they're gonna have something.
Turn your passion in power sport and marine into a career at Minnesota State.